Hello students, you're welcome to SET International School Online. Today we are looking at circumference of a circle. What is the circumference of a circle? That's what we are looking at today. Okay, so you can see the picture below. We have the radius, diameter, and the circumference. Okay, we are also furthering the lesson, so let's look at what we have. What is the circumference of a circle? The circumference of a circle is the distance around the outside of the circle. It is like the perimeter of other shapes like squares. You can think of it as the line that defines the shape. For shapes made of straight edges, this line is called the perimeter, but for circles, this defining line is called the circumference. Okay, so let's move on with our class. Okay, you can see the circle. Okay, you can see the circumference. This is the circumference. You can see that. Follow that cursor. You can see it. That's the circumference of the circle, the distance round the circle. There are two other important distances on a circle, the radius, which represents r, and the diameter, representing d. The radius, you can see that below. Okay, can you see the radius? Okay, and the diameter, you can see that too. And you can see the center, which is that black dot in that circle. Okay, let's move on with the class. How can you calculate the circumference of a circle? If you know the diameter or radius of a circle, you can work out the circumference. To begin with, remember that pi is an irrational number written with the symbol pi. Pi is roughly equal to 3.14. The formula for working out the circumference of a circle is circumference of circle equals pi multiplied by diameter of circle. Okay, let's move on with the class. This is typically written as C equals pi d. This tells us that the circumference of the circle is 3 and a bit times as long as the diameter. You can see this on the graphic below. Can you see the graphic below? You can see the picture of the circumference and you can see the diameter and the radius. Okay, so look at this calculation. The circumference of a circle is found using this formula. C equals pi d or C equals 2 pi r. Okay. You can also work out the circumference of a circle if you know its radius. Remember that the diameter is double the length of the radius. We already know that C equals pi d. If r is the radius of the circle, then d equals 2r. So C equals 2 pi r. Okay, look at the following example 1. If a circle has a diameter of 10 centimeter, what is its circumference? The answer is we know that C equals pi d. Since the diameter is 10 centimeter, we know that C equals pi times 10 centimeter equals 31.42 centimeter to 2 decimal places. Another example, if a circle has a radius of 3 meters, what is its circumference? We know, as an answer, we know that C equals 2 pi r. Since the radius is 3 meters, we know that C equals pi times 6 meters equals C equals 18.84 meters to 2 decimal places. Thank you very much for listening to today's class. I hope you were able to learn from today's topic, circumference of a circle. Bye bye.